Hey friends, Caitlin here with Banger Inc., live from my apartment since we are working from home. I wanted to reach out and touch base with you guys on how to create maintenance schedules for your companies and also how to modify them once they're created. So follow with me, I'm going to share my screen and we're going to go directly into the server. Now to modify existing schedules for maintenance, we're going to need to go directly into the server onto the database administration. So here you'll see the database admin at its home screen, the way it pops up on your screen. And we're going to go straight into schedule nightly maintenance. For this example, I took all of my maintenance schedules away. So we're going to start from scratch with creating it. Here I have my sample company, and you'll want to select all the boxes for every company that you have. So that will be any archived companies that you have, plus your live company. So you'll select this. And you'll want to modify this area down at the bottom right corner. Typically, you'll want to coordinate with when your server backs up. So if they back up at 11 o'clock each night, you might want to set your nightly maintenance schedule for Sage to be about an hour before. The nightly maintenance doesn't take that long. Usually it takes less than 5 minutes, but you want to make sure that it's being recorded when your server backs up each evening. So here we're going to modify this. With this example, let's just say 10 o'clock. And we're going to maximize this to keep 4 weeks. This is what it's going to store on your C drive in your companies. So we're going to click Save Schedule. It'll give you the yellow pop-up down here that'll say it's been created. And you should be able to go on the left panel to modify maintenance schedule. This is what you'll see when a maintenance schedule has already been created for a company. If you need to modify it once it's already been created, you can click on it, select the company that you're wanting to modify, and modify it just like we did down when we created it. Typically, this is what most organizations have their maintenance schedule look like, so they can modify it as they go along, and that all maintenance schedules can be the same for the whole organization. If you're needing to remove one, if you don't want it to be backed up any longer, select the company under the Remove Maintenance Schedule, and then click Remove. From there, you'll be able to recreate one, or you can modify it again. From there, it should back up every night. I know some companies get a critical error. If it's not backing up when you log into your workstation or even on the server, whenever you log into that company, it'll give you a critical error in the bottom right corner with a red X on it that says that it hasn't run last night or in the previous backup sessions. From there, if it's not on this maintenance schedule, there's one more thing that you can do prior to calling either an IT company or getting in contact with your server. On the server, you will want to type in this bar here, or you can find it yourself, type in Task Scheduler and select that. This is for the whole server itself. It'll pop up with this bar, and it'll look exactly like this. It'll be pretty blank, and this will show you everything that I have scheduled going on this evening or in the next day or so. You'll want to drop down and expand this category on the left, the Task Scheduler library, and you should have a folder called Sage 100 Contractor. Because mine isn't on a nightly maintenance plan, I won't have any tasks right here because I don't have any live company data to back up each evening, but it will look just like this, and it'll show each of your organizations on there and each of your companies. So if you have different archived companies, different payroll archives, anything of that sort, it'll pop up here and show you when it's going to run. That'll be a way to either confirm that it's going to run or set it up to where it's going to run after you modified your maintenance schedule. I hope this helps. If there's anything else that I can help you guys with, or if any of that doesn't make sense, please feel free to give me a call. I'd love to get you guys backed up. This is one of the biggest things that is very essential to how Sage 100 Contractor works. So give me a call if you have any questions. I'd love to help you guys out. Thanks.